Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 setups for today. Word of warning, we are traveling again from Friday, so videos are going to be a bit erratic. Right, so we have this week we've sort of moved off the close of Friday, and that was at around 50.27. We have now hit resistance. We broke through another strong area of resistance. Let me just put this third level in here. So we have two levels below us that should offer support. That's 51.46, 51.27, and we are bumping ahead at the moment at 51.96. So firstly, strong move up, flag that was formed. This flag has broken. You just put this diagonal in there. You can see we rejected it on Friday, came off, and then this week we've already broken through. So I'd be looking to buy on the pullback on structure. So if we get through the time frames, you can see we haven't really had an opportunity this week. There was nothing really on Monday or Tuesday, which allowed us to get in on the pullback. Oscillators have grouped together. We're now starting to separate on the 3 hours. So I suspect there'll be some kind of a pullback, and you're going to have to add these 3 hour levels in, because this is a strong zone of resistance that we're in. And if we just drop down to the hour, you'll see what I mean. So nothing. Monday, absolutely nothing. There was no pullback or anything. Tuesday, we've just gone sideways. Look at my oscillators, they're easing off quite nicely. So there's another intraday level here, which is at around 51.85. So for me, pullbacks is what you're looking for, and unfortunately, if we just go have a look at what happened on Monday, you can see there was no real pullbacks for any structure except here right at the close, which is not a clever idea. And then yesterday, pretty much all over the place, trending upwards, but then we had this relatively big sell-off going into the close and then sideways. So be a little bit cautious. I think I'm looking for a deeper pullback. I would prefer something down to 51.73, 51.66, but we need to find 51.50 as well. That's 51.63. There's probably going to be some arbitrary 51.54, so 51.46. So it's somewhere in one of these levels, or at one of these levels, you're looking for inside bars, pin bars, engulfing bars. You're looking for price to stabilize in somewhere in one of these levels and then start moving back to the upside. So that's kind of what I'm waiting for. Could also just go sideways for another day and then break the range and pull back to test the top of the range. So you need to pay attention to this 5100 area as well. So if we get above 5100 and come back and test it, then that's also a long setup for 5150, 51200. So that's kind of my view at the moment. It is onwards and upwards, but we're looking for the opportunities to get in. So pay attention to the levels. First level is 51.85. A little bit cautious with that level. I'd prefer to see us at 51.66, 51.63, and 51.50. So I'd prefer to see us somewhere in that area before a move to the upside. So that's kind of my view at the moment. And if you look at what happened on the daily, strong green bars and then a smaller green bar. So that's often what happens. And then we'll either go sideways or 1 or 2 bar pullback, and then a continuation. But there is a massive flag break here, and this big trend that we've been in is more than likely going to continue. But you want to be buying off the pullback, and you can see all these levels. You can see how there are daily highs and lows in amongst here since March. So this is a strong zone. I don't expect us to just fly through. I think we'd pull back, build a base on one of those levels I've given you, and then continue. So that's what you're looking for today. Anyway, hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.